Gary and I are waiting to get into Zion National Park. Well, we kind of screwed up a little bit. Golly, it's so beautiful. And so slightly dangerous. Wow. It is a beautiful but chilly day here in Zion. Got in last night and the temperatures were in the single digits, so we ended up leaving the camper on the truck. We're going to unturtle her today because we do want to have the truck to move around in the park without lugging our camper with. We have a fantastic sight. Look at that. But it is absolutely muddy. You got the fast guns off on the other side? Previously, we had been using a large Gazelle as kind of our garage as we were staying at different places. And the height of that thing was fabulous. There was a ton of room, and it was easy to put up. The challenge with it is that it was very bulky and quite heavy to put up. So we ended up purchasing this little mini garage. This is the second time that we've used it. We did use it for a couple of weeks at Gary's parents', but we're already noticing at the bottom that the seams have ripped out. I mean, that's something that's fixable. It was a little of a pain to put up, but again, this is only our second time.
Not a 10-minute tent.
No, or a 2-minute tent like we had.
And it does take 2 people.
But again, this is a lot smaller than what we had. So we're just investigating different options. CaveInnovations.com. Gary and I are waiting to get into Zion National Park. We're coming back after visiting Zion Guru and grabbing some lunch. So there's quite a few cars here. They are doing construction on the south end, but I think I might be able to handle the weight.
Yeah, it's quite the mountainous view here at the entrance.
Absolutely. There's actually a really nice short trail over here. We decided to take a drive through the Zion Mount Carmel tunnel to the east entrance. We wanted to find some of the trailheads for the hikes on this side of the park.
You gotta let me know where things are because I cannot watch very easily.
Right.
Much easier to drive just to foot up to keep.
Yep. The views, as expected, were fantastic, but Gary had to be a little bit more diligent with those several icy patches throughout the drive. Wow, this is spectacular.
Yeah, it is. I mean, just...
Wow.
What? Bet that's going around that corner.
Yeah. It does look a little icy.
Here's the air.
This is so massive. There's a trail that we would walk over that.
Yeah, I forget which one it was.
We'll have to look it up. Oh my gosh. Just the colors and... Oh. Okay, well I lied. I prefer it to be 50.
How are you guys?
Doing great, how are you?
Doing good. Do you have a tunnel permit?
No.
Do we need one for this?
Yes.
We do need one for
Yes.
this. Okay, is that,
I
okay.
could double check your measurements, but 99.9% of dualies are oversized.
Okay. Thank you. Well, we kind of screwed up a little bit. That Mount Zion tunnel, we are too wide. So do not go through this tunnel without a permit if you have dualies. So go in the middle. The ranger ended up writing us a permit, which we then paid on the east side of the park. As soon as you make it out of the tunnel, you'll see the parking lot for the Canyon Overlook trailhead. Needless to say, Big Bertha wasn't going to fit in there, with or without our camper. Wow, that looks cool.
There's a bunch of people there.
Okay, that was pretty cool. And we begin our Zion challenge to see how many trails we can complete in the week that we're there. We start off with this super short trail called Weeping Rock. This is tight. There's just ice falling all around us. Hey, look, up there, spikes of death. I don't know about this. Oh. Is it safer there? Oh. Oh, at least these are closer.
Yeah. I think I'm going home.
Nothing like falling ixicles. Here we're underneath this ledge, and the sun is making all the icicles fall down. So it's exit the trail at your own risk. So you made it through the gauntlet up there.
Yeah. As soon as I look away, oh jeez. Every time I look away, oh there he goes again. Golly, it's so beautiful. And so slightly dangerous. We just finished the Weeping Rock Trail. And we got through unscathed. Brain's all intact.
Mm-hmm. No damage done.
And we can now cross off our first official trail on the list. Good morning. We are on our way to go to our first longer hike here in Zion. It's called Sand Bench. We're trying to get out a little bit earlier so we can park this behemoth. The parking lots here, as expected, are smaller. It's going to be a beautiful day, but chilly.
Morning. Hey, look at that. We found a parking spot. We're only one of two other cars here, so we're good to go.
I think we are. All right. You just don't expect to see cacti and pine trees coexisting. It's not normal. I'm definitely gonna have to get in front of him. My little tiny legs can't keep up. "360 degrees of awesome views. This is nuts. We're surrounded by beauty, babe. And then there's us.
This view just never gets old. Ooh. See me fall on my face.
Don't do that. If you like our videos, please help our channel grow by subscribing, liking, or commenting. Well, what do we have here?
There's an outhouse.
No way. I think the middle of it just goes down to China.
Oh, yeah, sure.
That's what I'm thinking. But you can't tell because the snow.
It's for tying up horses.
Oh, yeah. Yep. I think
But-
you're right. Smart man.
Yeah, I know. Another rock apocalypse. I'm thinking when those landed, they shook the earth.
Just a wee bit.
Nice.
Look at that. That is beautiful. You ever feel like you're in a dream? This is definitely feeling like it today. This seems like a dream.
Don't jump. Sheer drop.
We just finished the southern loop of the Sand Bench Trail and continue to walk on the northern loop. This one is much less hilly and you get some pretty nice views of the mountains. The Wrangler Trail on the other side of the road is a horse trail, so it's pretty easy but can give you some nice views of the mountains from a different angle.
The waterfall froze in motion.
If you have time for only one portion, I'd recommend the southern loop.
Might see some deer down there. There's some fresh deer trail.
Another one, checked off. And make sure to stop by next week when we continue to cross off those trails by hitting the Narrows in the winter.
Trying to make it across the road and look at them, they stop.
How's that again?